You won't let me down. Promise you won't let me. Promise you won't let me.
It is not right at any point in your relationship, if
Right.
you are having issues with your significant other, do not talk to somebody of the opposite sex.
I guess the question is, should the person who didn't cheat take accountability or take some sort of accountability along with the person that cheated?
I mean, we all adults. There's accountability. So yeah, there's accountability that needs to be taken hold of. Do they have to hold themselves accountable for the fact that one side went out and actually cheated and slept with somebody?
You're going to get a lot
No.
of people that's going to be pissed off at you for that.
They're gonna be mad regardless. I don't care. But we as adults have to understand, and even in a relationship period, even if you want to call this just a team, a partnership, whatever you want to label it for your own personal relationship, there is still accountability on all sides that need to be taken care of. Does it leave an open door? Yes, it does leave an open door if somebody is not held accountable and doing the thing that they're supposed to be accountable for. Is it an excuse to go cheat? No, we have said
Right.
that so many times.
Please head over to our podcast to follow the rest of it. And please feel free to subscribe and leave us 5 stars so this can go out to more people and we can help as many couples as we possibly can. All right. Thank you guys.
That was perfect. You are a natural.